How to fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error 2. I'm going to tell you how to fix Fortnite Matchmaking Error 2. This error usually happens when Fortnite has trouble connecting. But don't worry, here's how you fix it. First, make sure you're not using a proxy or VPN. Turn those off if you are. Next, restart your game, your device, and your Wi-Fi router. That clears most connection issues. Then, check if Fortnite is updated to the latest version. If you're on PC, open the Epic Games launcher, click the three dots on Fortnite, and select Verify Files. This fixes any corrupted installs. If it's still not working, go into Settings and try switching your matchmaking region to another server. Sometimes, less busy regions connect faster. And finally, always check Fortnite server status online. If servers are down, you'll just have to wait. Follow these steps and you should be back in matches without that annoying error too.